Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 7. It's hard to believe that we only have 2 weeks left in our class together. So let's dive into a quick week 7 overview. This week, we're going to have the opportunity to study and discuss together authenticity, strategies to empower all stakeholders, as well as autonomy and voice. Specifically for reading this week, you'll have the opportunity to think about chapters 19 and 20 in the Berkowitz text. And in terms of our discussion this week, you'll also have the opportunity to think about servant leadership. And so you'll reflect on the following quotation. The breakthrough there came through the principal strategically building closer relationships with each staff member and learning to be a servant leader. That is, serving the growth of each of the staff members. Only then were they willing to share ownership and leadership of the school, which was the path to reaching excellence in character education. Tie in support from a source other than your Berkowitz textbook to kind of bolster your ideas on the link between servant leadership and character development in schools. And you're welcome to choose any scholarly source that feels relevant for you to do so. So that'll be your discussion question this week. As always, initial responses are due on Thursday by 11:59 p.m., with peer responses due by Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. I am thrilled to share with you that you do not have an assignment due this upcoming Sunday. And so the other thing that you can think about doing this week once you're finished with your discussion post is just doing a look ahead at our very last assignment for this class, which I hope you'll find relevant and meaningful. It's a very reflective type of assignment, and it's an individual character analysis assignment. So join me now in doing a quick look ahead for this very last assignment for you. All right, so assignment number 5, individual character analysis. Here's the rundown. Indicators such as Myers-Briggs and StrengthsFinder have been around for many years for the purpose of highlighting individual character attributes. Identification of individual character traits has become a really profitable business for some. And for this assignment, you have the opportunity to reflect on your own character and how you view yourself as a teacher, mentor, leader, colleague. I know many of you are coaches as well. And so this view will be based on your professional journey thus far, as your unique lived experiences really shape and contribute to who you are as a professional and just as a person. The quality of your character impacts your ability to make moral decisions for those you serve. So you do some self-reflection. Next, you're going to complete the free character strength survey from VIA Institute on Character and answer a couple of questions. First of all, were the results of the survey what you expected based on your own conceptualization of yourself as an educator, based on your own reflection regarding your strengths and areas for growth? Were there any surprises? Did you learn anything new by completing this survey? And you're simply going to write a 1 to 2 page paper analyzing the results of the survey in relation to your initial thoughts about your own character. You'll include a paragraph describing ways you could have your students complete a similar assignment where they get to discover and showcase their personal character strengths or areas for improvement as well. As part of this assignment, you'll include support from a minimum of 2 sources, one of which can be your Berkowitz textbook. And this assignment, the entire thing, should include an APA-style title page, citations, a references page, and be formatted according to APA 7th edition. Now that you have analyzed and assessed the quality of your character, so once you're finished with that 1 to 2 pager, you're going to have the opportunity to showcase this information by creating a flyer featuring you. So this flyer should be a reflection of who you are as an educator and the quality of character that you possess. You're welcome to use S'more, I linked that here for you, or a software program of your choice to create a simple flyer. Your flyer should be detailed enough to present a clear picture of your character traits. And upon viewing the flyer, an audience should have a clear understanding of you as a school professional. Please include this flyer on its own page following the 1 to 2 page paper and before the references page of your assignment. So you'll do the written portion, Then you'll include that flyer, then you'll include the references page, and you can submit all of that as one Word document or as one PDF, whatever is easier for you based on how you decide to create that flyer. All right, and so the deliverables for this particular assignment are the 1 to 2 page reflection paper, as well as that flyer that really highlights you as a professional educator. Taking a look at our rubric, our criteria for success for this particular assignment, some of your points will come from creating a paper that just professionally analyzes your survey results and ties them back to your personal reflection. The flyer, again, just professionally designing that character trait flyer. As always with our writing, we want to make sure that clear and purposeful communication of ideas are happening and that our work is error-free. And then for APA formatting, of course, accurately and consistently using that formatting throughout the paper, title page, reference page, and making sure that those in-text citations match the references that you list at the end of your assignment. So that's what we have to look forward to. Again, I really hope that you'll enjoy this assignment and just find it a meaningful way to reflect on your journey so far in education, your current strengths and areas for growth, so that you can think about those and inform your next steps for yourself. And as we think about the week ahead of us, just want to invite you to join me in contemplating the Christian message for the week. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Against such things there is no law. Galatians 5:22-23. Consider this list as a roadmap for biblical character. And I just want to encourage you to embrace opportunities this week to display these characteristics at work, with your colleagues, students, and their families. I actually love these fruits of the Spirit, and I have a set of postcards that lists each of those fruits of the Spirit there, portrayed on my desk at work, so that I can see those and pray about those and ask the Lord to equip me with whatever it is I need each day to love and serve my people well. And so just want to share that with you this week and encourage you to do the same. Please know that I'm here and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns. I'm happy to help you in any way I can, and I am cheering you on along week 7. Have a wonderful week.